In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. If you need to analyze tasks, build reports, or share a project snapshot with your team, exporting your Asana project to a spreadsheet is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact path in Asana, explain what the export includes, and share a few tips so your data looks great when you open it in Excel. First, open the specific Asana project you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team and that you've selected the right project from your sidebar or search. What you're exporting is the project's task data, so confirm you're looking at the project that contains the tasks you need. Asana will include core details like task names, assignees, due dates, completion status, sections, and custom fields that are part of the project. Next, access the Project Actions menu. You'll find this as a small drop-down arrow right next to the project's name at the top of the screen. Click that arrow to reveal the project level options. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it or scroll horizontally to see the menu. You'll need at least view access to the project to export its data. Now hover over Export/Print in that menu and choose CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a universal format that opens cleanly in Excel. Asana exports the CSV rather than directly to .xlsx, which is perfect for Excel while keeping the file lightweight and widely compatible. This export captures the project's task list and fields. Attachments, comments, and subtasks may not be fully represented in the CSV, so keep that in mind if you're expecting rich content. Your file will begin downloading as a CSV. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to choose a location, or it might go straight to your downloads folder. Large projects can take a moment, so keep the tab open until the download completes. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download indicator. Finally, open the CSV in Microsoft Excel. You can double-click the file from your download location, or open Excel first and use File, then Open to select it. Once it's open, adjust column width so everything is readable, and turn on filters to sort and analyze your task. If dates or special characters look off, try changing the column format in Excel to date or general so the values display correctly. That's all there is to it. You've exported your Asana project and opened it in Excel for deeper analysis and sharing.